Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to bold text in a Facebook post. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, when you open Facebook and you want to write a post but in bold format, so what to do? So first of all, I am pasting dummy text here. I have copied from somewhere. Now you can see it is not looking interesting and it is not able to attract the attention of the viewers. So what to do? So for this, first of all, you should have to copy all the text of the post. I am copying it or cut it. Now minimize Facebook, minimize or close Facebook and open a web browser. I am using Google for this, Google Chrome, and search for bold text generator and open the first website, the first link, and paste the copied text here. Now it will automatically convert it to bold text. You can see it. Now your all text is in bold format, so you can copy it from here. Long press on the text and select all the post you need, all the text you need. Now tap on copy option to copy it and go to Facebook again and erase all the text here. And paste it here. Now you can see your alt text has become in bold format. You can erase unwanted part of the text. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.